Okay, thank you very much for joining. This is the virtual assistant story, How Losing Your Job, with an interview with Juliet Casing. And my name is Jomar Hilario. Welcome to the webinar. We have been doing this webinar for about 5 years, interviewing virtual professionals from around the world, Filipinos who have overcome their difficulties, not by becoming an OFW, not by becoming call center or BPO person, but by becoming something even more challenging, a person who works from the internet. And today we found somebody who has lost her job and found a blessing in it. And there is, yes, a good ending to the story of losing your job. So if you want to hear about how to get the blessing out of losing your job, can you type the word yes in the chat room? Type it so I know you're actually hearing this. Okay? Juliet, kamusta ka na? Nandiyan ka ba?
Hello po. Oo, pasensya na inoobo.
Okay lang. They can hear you.
Panahon.
In a few minutes, they will know your story. Nasaan ka ngayon? Where's your location?
Yes. Nasa Quezon City po ako ngayon.
Quezon City. Do you live there or, do you live somewhere else? Yep. Where do you live?
Yep, I live here. Nag-rent po ako dito. Medyo mahina kasi ang internet sa amin. Sa home.
So, sa inyo?
Place ko. Sa Bohol.
Okay.
So, yep.
Okay. Okay. So let's take a few moments to recognize everyone who is here on time. Thank you, Tess, Rosalie, Rodel, Noemi, Nanita, Myla, Marvin, Malu, Lawrence, Joyce, Jennifer, Jean, Jasmine, Ivy, Helen, Elizabeth, Chit, Caroline, Catherine, Camille, April, Angelica, Amy, Alice, Aldwin. Thank you very much, and Merry Christmas to you guys. Thank you for being here and joining us. It's lonely kung wala kayo. So I'd like to give you honor and thanks for being here. Type the word it's great to be here in the chat room so everybody knows. Narinig niyo yun. Okay? So before we get into the story of Juliet, I'd love to tell you a little short lesson. No, actually, I just want you to know who I am. Okay lang ba? Okay lang ba? Pakisabi yes or no. I share who I am, the person speaking to die. Me. Do you want to know who I am? This is, of course, those na first-timer. I don't know if there are any first-timers here. I don't think so. But I'm Jomar Hilario. I am known as the Bo Sanchez Internet Marketing Guru. And in 2007, I called myself, parang si Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I called myself the Internet Marketing Guru of the Philippines. Please remember that in 2007, most of you are not using the internet unless you have a Friendster account. So that was a bold claim that I was an internet marketing guru during those early days. But that's because I knew a lot of stuff in internet marketing, and I was practicing them. So using all those stuff that I learned in 2007, 2008, 2009, I helped Brother Bo Sanchez do internet marketing, and believe me, 2005. And that's why I became his secret internet marketing person, promoting everything he does online, up to today. Okay. So I'm also the author of the book Virtual Careers, which is the book I devoted as a legacy. Everybody type, I want a legacy. Kaya hindi nyo alam ko ano yun. Bakit parang Memorial Park? Okay lang. Type nyo, I like a legacy because this is something that will outlive me if I am taken by the heavenly powers. And you guys will have this as a souvenir. And my children and my children's children will be able to read about how to succeed online. So, di ba, Juliet?
Yes po. Kailangan ng legacy.
Yan. So legacy is something you leave behind for those you love and for those your friends, ancestors, descendants, di ba? Kasi nga, we can just leave our kids, di ba? Sila yung maiiwan sa buhay natin. Right? When we go and we go to heaven, may iwan sila. However, your kids may iwan, aalis din sila. So, would it be great to be able to leave a legacy to them? So that's why I made this book. And at the same time, it's something to help you guys. I think this is one of those few books out there that people read more than one time. Can you just confess in the chat room right now How many times have you read this book? Ang nakakatawa dyan, Juliet, minute kita kasi umuubo kayo. Pero sagutin mo nga, nabasa mo na ba to?
Yes po. Nabasa ko yan at least 4 times. And, yep. Nakakatuwa nga kasi yung ate ko gusto niyang hiramin. Hindi ko mapahiram kasi parang feeling ko pagka may nakalimutan ako or parang nagiging reference ko na siya na ano nga ba yun? So hindi ko siya ma-let go yung book kahit ipahiram ko sa sister ko. Sabi ko bibilhan ko na lang siya. Ayun, ganun kahalaga sa kanyang book.
Yeah, grabe, no? Reference. Sabi ni Alice, nakakatawa. I read the book over and over. I lost count. Pero nakakatawa. Baka naman mahina ba yung author kaya maraming beses nyo binabasa. Is the book so bad that you have to read it many times? So what do you think? Why do you have to read it so many times? You know? It's a reference. What else? So I think it speaks of the value. Oh, yun, the information overload. So sa unang time na overload ka, so you read it again para ma-overload ulit. How is that, Jennifer? Explain to us. Mahina lang ako mag-absorb. Ganun. Sabi ni Rodel, mas maganda siguro sabihin, each time you read it, things get clearer. Ayun. Kasi lol. So thank you very much for reading it more times. I'd like to believe na you read many times kasi nga you want to get as many gems as you can. Tama ba? From each reading. Tama ba? You try to get something that's valuable at each reading. Pag nawawala sa pagiging becoming virtual professional, you read it po, oh, okay. So parang siyang guide talaga, no? You read it pag nawawala ka, which is like good. It's a good reminder. Every time basahin mo, meron kang bagong matututunan, sabi ng Malu. Okay, thank you very much for the book. Yeah. So that's correct. My perspective changes every time. Very nice. Nakakapag-change pa siya ng perspective pala pag binasa ulit. Very good. Okay. And let me just tease you a little bit. I'm going to give you a chance to give this away to your friends. This book. Okay? Lalo na yung mga nasa ibang bansa. Kung gusto nyo lang. Okay? Okay ba yun? Gusto nyo ba yun? How about I give you a chance to give it to your friends for free? Ano tingin nyo? Maganda ba yan? What if I give you a chance to give this book to your friends, lalo na around the world, for free? Yeah, so watch out for the announcement. Okay? So, hindi naabot sa Pasko, deliver pa eh. So, pero at least New Year's gift na yan, sa tingin ko, pag deliver. Okay? May sinabing maganda dito ayun. Cynthia says it gives reassurance. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It gives reassurance. That's true. Okay? Thank you so much. So that's a little bit about me. I also speak. I do seminars on internet marketing. Dati, ngayon I do seminars on virtual careers. We're going to have a seminar in May in Manila. We're going to have another seminar in Davao, I think in October, during how to start your virtual careers. And watch out for that. Who's interested in joining September pa lang Davao. October, we're going to have the Grand Summit. That's the Virtual Career Summit. Everybody should go in October. Okay? So, I am now finished talking about me, if that's okay. I just want to move you around to our guest today, si Juliet. Okay lang sa inyo? Can you welcome Juliet Casing, everyone? Just type nyo lang welcome para ma-welcome naman siya. So Juliet here has a story that will make you cry because it's about losing your jobs. So, and I would love for her to tell the story because it has a great ending and I know you will learn from this. So this is our first virtual assistant story. So starting today, 2017, hi Juliet, unmute mo yung sarili mo, kaya mo yan.
Yes po, yes.
Starting today, we will be calling our webinars pag may interview as a virtual assistant story. This is just an experiment actually in search engine optimization. Okay. How losing your job can turn out to be a blessing. So we're gonna start off. This is a virtual assistant story. Every time we interview someone, we call it a virtual assistant story. We call ourselves virtual professionals. The book is called Virtual Careers. But for the sake of SEO, everybody type SEO, Search Engine Optimization. We're gonna call it the virtual assistant story because people out there, alam nila, ang tawag sa atin, virtual assistant. Okay? So we're not gonna use our internal name, the Virtual Careers, Virtual Professionals. So when this webinar goes to the internet, in YouTube or in Google, they know, oh, it's about the virtual assistant. Okay, docs? So my name is Jomar Hilario, and I bring you Miss Juliet Cassie. Give her a hand. Welcome, welcome. Clap nyo naman siya para masaya. Okay? Juliet, ibigay ko na sa yung control. Sandali ha. Wala ka pang control eh. Hindi ako marunong.
Okay po. Share screen na lang po ako.
Try mo.
Yes po. Yep. Okay, nakikita po yung screen ko?
Yep, awesome.
Yep, alright. Welcome po sa lahat. Good morning, and thank you for joining us tonight. I am Juliet Casing, your trustworthy virtual professional. So, yan yung tawag ko sa sarili ko. Sinasama ko yan sa aking resume. Tas nilalagay ko yan sa aking website. Yan. So, tonight, I will be sharing to you that bitter, sweet part of my OFW journey and how God turned that bad news into a blessing. So, I hope to inspire kahit ilang tao lang tonight. Alright? So, to start with, I want to share my life statement. That moment when I was so down, na-terminate ako, I don't know what to do next. I stumbled upon this quote from Lisa Nichols. So, ang sabi dito, nobody's going to love your dream much more than you do. So, execute it. So, parang, oh, it hit me na. Oo nga, I have to do something. Hindi porket tinanggal ako sa trabaho or natanggal ako sa trabaho for some reason, I'll just give up. Tapos, hayaan na lang yung circumstances to define me. So, para sa akin, you don't expect your parents, your boss, kaya yung mga siblings mo, kaya yung spouse mo to make your dreams come true. Do it yourself. So, ayan po ako. So, a short background about me. So, ako po ay agricultural engineer by profession. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, we deal with living things. So, naging trabaho ko dito bilang agricultural engineer ay sa rice research natin, sa irrigation, and lately po sa Dubai, yung sa landscaping company. Inaalagaan namin yung mga plants na nakikita nyo sa loob ng mall at saka sa labas ng mall o kaya sa kahit anong building. So, yun yung ginagawa ko. So, another fact about me, naging OFW ako for more than 2 years. What I love doing, I love reading, I love writing, and I love learning new things na nandun sa aking interest zone. So, right now, dahil ex-OFW ako, I'm now working full-time dito sa Pinas as a virtual assistant. But as Sir Jomar mentioned earlier, we call it virtual professional. Yan. So, yan ako. Also, a short background about my journey as an OFW. I can say na I had an easy entry to the Middle East. So I was lucky because I already got the job while I was still in the Philippines. So I know there's a lot of OFWs, marami akong kilala na pupunta sa ibang bansa, nakikipagsapalaran without the security na makakahanap kaya sila doon ng trabaho. But mine was different. So parang dito sa Pilipinas, hindi ito via agency, direct hire, but I was already hired in my profession. So while I was still in the Philippines, that was, I was so lucky. And another thing about that being OFW, everything was a smooth ride abroad. So, na-promote sa work, na-appreciate ang trabaho, sobrang bait ng boss ko. So, maraming Filipino sa company. Parang, I should say, feel Philippines lang siya kasi nagtatawanan kaming mga Filipino. So, wala namang problema sa work and sa workplace. Ayan. So, however, my greatest enemy was homesickness. Ayan. So, a lot of OFWs can relate to this, kung hindi man lahat. So, I was talking to a friend yesterday, and she said, oo nga no, palagi kong naririnig na ang mga OFW daw ay naho-homesick, pero she doesn't understand it by heart kung ano ba talaga yung naho-homesick ang isang OFW kasi hindi naman niya na-try. So, I should say, homesickness for me are those moments na bigla ka na lang mapapaiyak. Minsan without any particular reason, basta nalungkot na lang ako bigla. So, yung magkakasakit ka and hindi ka pwedeng mag-inarte. Kasi wala ka namang pag-iinartihan, alam nga naman yung roommate mo, ganon. So, I remembered one time, midnight yon, biglang sumakit na lang talaga ng bonggang-bongga yung tiyan ko. So, talagang to the point na muntik na akong mahimatay. Tiniis ko talaga siya and thank God I survived. Buhay pa naman ako. So, pwede ko namang tawagin yung roommates ko. Iniisip ko, pwede ko namang gisingin. Kaso, I know, pagod din sila. So, yung mga moments na yon, may sakit ka, malungkot ka, at isa pa, pag Pasko, di ba? Sino dito ang gustong magpasko sa Pilipinas? Sabihin nyo nga sa chatroom kung gusto nyo magpasko sa Pilipinas. And then, it declared this na I will celebrate Christmas with my family by this year. Ayun. So, do something dyan sa declaration nyo na yan. So, again, back to being homesick. That led me to resign, to submit resignation 4 times. Talagang hindi ko, 4 times talaga. But thank God, hindi tinanggap ng manager ko ang aking resignation letters. Sobrang bait kasi ng manager ko. So, parang sinabi niya, I know the situation of the family and masasanay ka din dito sa Dubai, ganon. So, hindi niya tinanggap, mabait lang talaga siya. Ayun. So, true enough, nasanay naman talaga ako sa Dubai. So, nakatapos ako ng isang visa, so that is 2 years. Tapos, nirenew nila yung aking visa, o diba? And then, kung kailan ako nasanay sa trabaho, and sa pagtatrabaho sa doon, ay one fine Thursday afternoon, so talagang bibid sa akin kung anong meron dun sa araw na yun eh. One fine Thursday afternoon, 4 p.m. So, pinatawag ako ng HR. So, yun, pumunta ako sa office, tapos, ayun, binigyan niya itong letter na ang sabi due to company crisis, your position is selected as redundant. Yun, redundant daw, kahit mag-isa lang ako. So, your last day of work is today, 22nd of September 2016. Ouch! Ang sakit, diba? Masakit ba yun? Chat nyo nga. Oh, yes. So,
as in, on the same day, pinalis ka?
Yes po. Actually, though sanay naman ako na ganun talaga yung company namin ka-harsh na to think na that was Thursday and Thursday is last day of work sa Middle East kasi Friday is a holiday. Nagsisimba sila. So, Thursday, 4 p.m. Ganon. So, uwi anak. Para kunwari, hindi halata, diba? Tapos, para may isang oras pa to fix your things. Ganon. So, ayun. Sinabi lang na, you know, the situation of the company. So, wala ka namang pwedeng. So, sabi na lang ng HR na, you have to sign this. Tapos sabi ko, babalik pa po ba ako sa next week kasi baka ano lang yung parang notice. Tapos sabi naman niya, hindi na. Gano'n. Ayun. So, masakit talaga siya, and I know, nakakatakot siyang i-imagine kung nasa current job ka pa ngayon. But it happened to me. Yan. Okay, so, yun yung pain. Yun yung malungkot na side, the bitter part. Okay, so, let's move to the...
Pause muna.
Yes po?
Paramdam mo muna. Pag-usapan muna natin yung araw na yan. Ano
Yes,
ang ginawa mo, sinabi sa'yo?
Actually, nanginginig.
Nagtumagal ka ba?
Yung totoo, meron ako sa later slide na nung pumasok ang 2016, alam ko na, or alam na namin na medyo shaky. Hindi lang namin alam kung kailan. Tapos, pero talagang doon na sa moment, so, nung binasa ko, akala ko, sabi ko, bakit ka ba, nanginginig talaga ako yung magsasign, maiksi lang naman signature ko. Nanginginig ako, hindi ko alam kung anong signature ko doon. Tapos, lumabas ako, tapos, hindi ko alam kung sino ang nagsabi doon sa mga kasama ko sa work. Umiyak na lang sila. Umiyak sila. Tapos, hindi ako umiyak. Sabi ko, okay lang yan, okay lang yan. Ewan ko. Tapos, yun nga, after an hour, di umuwi na kami. May service kasi, di umuwi na. Tapos, ang naging, hindi pa ata nag-sink in sa akin that time, except, pinuproblema ko kung paano yung next month. Kasi nga, I am the breadwinner of the family. So, yun yung iniisip ko. Paano kaya ako next month? Tapos, paano ko sasabihin sa parents ko? Ayoko namang i-shock sila. Ayoko malungkot sila. Yun ang naging problema ko talaga. Paano kami next month? And, paano ko sasabihin sa parents ko? Yun.
Single ka pa?
Yes po. Single. Pero, yep. Opo. Tapos, may estudyante ako. Yung bunso namin.
Okay.
Ayun.
That's parang naiintindihan nila na what's, where you're coming from.
Yes
Galing.
po. Mm-hmm.
Wait, di ba tapos? You went there, kasi, para lang clear, the same thing happened to me kasi.
Oh.
Pero ikaw ang bida. So, pinituan mo, di ba? And then what happened?
Nothing happened after.
No.
Wala na pong nangyari.
You went back to your seat, you ate lunch, what happened?
Hapon kasi yon 4 p.m. Tapos an hour after, uuwi na kami. So, pumunta ako doon sa direct supervisor ko. Tapos, nag-iiyak siya. Nag-iiyak na siya throughout hanggat umuwi. Tapos, I went to the manager. Yes, I went to kasi wala silang alam, including the manager, whom I love dearly. Kasi, at mahal na mahal din ako nung manager ko. So, hindi din niya alam. Like, galit nga siya eh. Ayun. So, hindi niya alam. So, after ko pumunta dun sa direct supervisor ko, pumunta ako sa manager. Tapos, meron pa kasing sumunod na terminate after me. Ganon. Ayan, so parang na sila. Tapos, ako naman pumunta dun sa manager namin. Tapos, hindi ako umiyak talaga. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Tapos, umiiyak yung manager ko. Yun. So, to think na siya, older na siya, tapos he's a guy. Parang father. Yes po. Father ko kasi siya. He's a British national. So, yun. Yun, ang ginawa ko. Tapos after, hindi kami nag-fix para hindi alata. Nahiya pa kami. So, yung mga ibang hindi naman namin close, so hindi nila alam. So, hindi ako nag-fix. Tapos nung minimalist naman kasi ako, konti lang yung bag, yung gamit ko. So, yun, 5 before kami umalis, dinala ko na lang yung mga personal things ko. Ganon. Ganon lang siya kasimple. Tinapo na ako. Ganon.
The next day, wala ka ng work, no? Wala ka ng work
yes
the next
po,
day.
wala na po. Hindi na po ako pinabalik. Or kami.
Or that, can you tell me what happened that night or the next day?
That night, ini-spread ko dun sa kasama ko sa bahay. Marami kasi kami sa bahay. Sabi ko, wala na akong work, ganun. Hindi ko alam kung siguro I was in denial stage na parang I pretended to be okay. So, sinabi ko, wala po work. Tapos hindi sila naniniwala kasi nga napaka-stable ko, quote-unquote, dun sa company. Tapos, hindi sila naniniwala. Sabi ko, bahala kayo kung hindi kayo maniniwala. Basta pagdating ng Sunday, sa first working day, ayun, nakita nila, hindi na nga ako pumasok. Tapos, kinabukasan, hindi ako nagtrabaho. I mean, hindi ako supposedly kasi mag-apply or mag-study ako dun sa virtual career. So, hindi, nagpahinga ako ng few days. Siguro mga 3 araw after that. Yeah, and then, I started.
Okay. Continue the story na. Naramdaman na nila.
Yun.
Before you continue, let me just tell people.
Yes po.
Mas malala yung nangyari sa'yo. Kasi kami, we were given 1 day before namin nalaman na if-fire kami. Sinabi lang sa amin, hey, you go to this brand new building tomorrow. So yun lang, mystery. Pero nag-usap na yung mga office mates ko. Marami kami sabay-sabay. Nag-usap na yung mga office mates ko. Ano yun? Sisisante na tayo. Tama sila. The next day, sisisante kaming lahat. Story, crisis din sa company.
Naramdaman nyo siguro nila. Ayun.
Naramdaman na nila. Pero ikaw, finale ko on the spot, which is really more painful than what happened to us. Okay.
Yes, on the spot.
Continue, Juliet. Very good.
Yes, okay. So, too much dun sa pain. Move naman tayo dito sa aking virtual career journey. Ayun. So, nakilala ko si Sir Jomar Hilario through a newsletter from Brother Bo Sanchez. Ayun, way back 2012 pa, nung I subscribed to Brother Bo and then nakaka-receive ako ng mga emails from him. Tapos, again, dun sa baka may mga late na dumating ngayon, especially those na nag-sign up dun sa shinare ko sa timeline, and hindi nila kilala si Sir Jomar, siya po yung Philippine Internet Marketing Guru who's behind the online marketing of most of Brother Bo Sanchez activities. So, parang Team Ferris po yan si Sir Jomar dito sa Pinas. Ayan. So, siya yung mentor ng maraming virtual assistants and online marketers dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan. Siya yan. Yung pinapakinggan nyo. Yan. So, nakilala ko siya through Brother Bo, pero ang totoo, hindi ko talaga yun pinansin, yung work from home. Tapos, nag-subscribe pa ako sa newsletter mo, Sir Jomar. Binabasa ko, pero, malayo yung puso ko. Kasi, hello! Sabi ko sa sarili ko, hello, I'm not a techie. kahit ngayon naman, hindi naman talaga ako techie. So, pero that time, sabi ko, hello, I'm not a techie. Ang alam ko lang naman ay mag-research, mag-type, mag-email, ganun. Sorry. So, sinasabi ko talaga sa sarili ko na hindi to para sa akin. Pero hindi ko alam kung bakit ko binabasa yung mga newsletters. Ayun, so, as I said earlier, pumasok ang 2016 na medyo may nararamdaman na ako or kaming something wrong na mangyayari sa amin sa kumpanya. So, because of that, syempre natakot na ako nung pumasok ang 2016 knowing na ako ang breadwinner ng family and I cannot afford to lose a job and to lose an income. So, hindi ako pwedeng mawalan ng trabaho, ganun. So, that desperation and that fear pushed me talagang ako to take that risk. Or so I thought it was a risk to buy your course, Sir Jomar. So, para sa akin that time, to invest or yung gumastos to buy a course sa taong hindi ko naman talaga alam kung magagamit ko. So, it was a risk for me. But then again, natakot ako na mawalan ako ng trabaho. So, last April, nitong year na lang, 2016, nag-avail po ako ng Date with Freedom downloadable. So, itong Date with Freedom downloadable is 9 days siya na recording ng isang live event na nangyari noong 2015 pa. But then, that time, April, ito yung nakita kong available. So parang I took the risk, eto kukunin ko, bahala na kung matutunan ko siya or hindi. I-charge ko na lang sa experience, gano'n. So, also, dito kasi sa 9 days na Date with Freedom, may mga speaker si Sir Jomar, yung mga nag-share na mga successful VAs. So, aside from pinakinggan ko yon, pina-follow ko yung mga successful VAs kung ano mga pinagagawa nila. I-stalker ako, gano'n. So, yan, sina Miss Ann, Piñaredondo, si Miss Nina Mendoza, pina-follow ko yan sila. Marami pang ibang speaker that time. At dala pa nila talaga yung family nila na magpapatotoo kung ano sila sa bahay nila. Yun. So, it was long and full pack of information yung Date with Freedom. So, full pack of information also na doon talaga ako na-convince na gusto ko talaga ang magtrabaho sa bahay. Sabi ko, eto talaga yung gusto ko pala. Yun. So, dahil gusto ko siya and ang ginawa ko during my working days, so I blocked and set aside 2 to 3 hours per night during working day, and then I spent almost all my weekend doon sa pakikinig or panonood ng mga videos. Kasi ang haba nga naman noon, 9 days, full pack na information. So, ginawa ko siya ng May and June. Tapos, by June, may mga assignment kasi doon na makakatulong sa'yo at yun talaga yung nakatulong sa akin to get na dito sa situation ko ngayon. So, by June, hindi pa rin ako nakatapos ng assignment kahit nandoon at lahat yung available resources na kailangan ko. So, I want it badly. Parang gustong-gusto ko na ngayon mag-work from home. Kaya naghanap ako ng accountability partner. I stumbled upon sabi ko, hindi ako magaling sa pag-strategize ng mga bagay-bagay. Kaya, sabi ko, kailangan ko ng accountability partner or a coach. Ayun, para mapabilis yung aking ginagawa. Ayun. So, nag-sign up ako kay Miss Nina Mendoza dun sa kanyang Smart VIP coaching. So, ito naman ay hindi for everyone, but for me, it worked. Kasi, ayun nga, I acknowledge dun sa weakness ko ng pag-organize. And then, I tap someone who can lead me papunta doon sa gusto kong dream. Ayun. So, si Miss Nina is also a product or a student of Sir Jomar. Ayun. Si Sir Jomar yung father natin lahat. Ganun. So, nag-avail ako ng coaching ng July. And then, by August, natapos ko lahat ng assignment ni Sir Jomar. So, by August, that was July, August. Ayan. So, the next month, September, I lost my job. Ayun. So, di ba? Ang galing ng timing. So, June, July, August, September. Ayan. So, dito na tayo sa simula ng fruit of my labor. Fruit of my labor. Ayan. So, few days, sinabi ko kanina, few days, mga 3 araw akong nalungkot na nawalan ako ng trabaho. And then after that, I started applying sa trabaho online. Ayun. So, by October 10, that was, I think, a week after kung nawalan ng trabaho or after kung nag-start mag-apply. So, I got my first online gig. But this one is just project-based. Kaya hindi ko din siya pinush kasi my client was a web designer tapos ako yung nagsusulat ng content ng website. Yan. So, hindi ko na pinush kasi nga hindi siya permanent. Ayan. So, and this is what I call my success. Ayan. So, 1 month after losing a job, that so-called precious job I had in Dubai, I received this email. It was a very remarkable day kasi That was also the same day of my flight going back here in the Philippines. So, 1 hour before ako pumunta ng airport, which I believe ay mawawala na ako ng internet connection, I received this letter from a client. Ayun. So, I just wanted to highlight this part. Sabi niya, in all stages of the interview process, I have been impressed with your considered approach, your strong drive and initiative, and your kindness and warmth. I admire and value your creativity and thinking. It is not something that is easily replicated by another, and in my opinion, the combination of this is a rare find. I appreciate that you will need some training and support in the role of a VA, but believe the investment of time and training will be beneficial to us both. Ayun. So, I'm so blessed because, unang-una, nakalagay dito, part-time lang yung hinahanap niyang VA. But she hired me full-time. And then second, she gave me the same rate that I asked, yung rate na comfortable ako, yung rate na yun yung value ko that time sa sarili ko. Ayun. So, third thing why I consider myself blessed, I prayed for mabait na client. Sanay kasi ako sa may mabait na boss. Ayun, so yung boss mindset. So sabi ko, Lord, sana British kasi yung mga impression ko ng British people mababait. Ayun. So, ang nangyari, British siya na babae. Yeah. So, right now, we've been working for 1.5 months since she hired me. And then we're happily working together. So, by this, natong pinadala niyang email, we had 3 months contract muna kasi parang trial period. But then, after a month, sinabi na niya na hindi na yung, we will extend our contract kung kailan kailangan. Ayun. And then, just few days ago, dinagdagan niya ako ng benefits like, Philippine holiday benefits, and sick leave benefits. Ayun. So, meron akong leave. Yes po. Binigyan, ano po yun? Nakakatuwa. Hindi pa ako marunong manghingi kasi I haven't learned the art of asking, quote-unquote. So, normal lang ako nagtatrabaho, ganyan. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, Juliet, I know na nilagay ko doon na may 3 months contract tayo, but wag mo nang isipin yon. We will extend, ganyan. And we will also, and in the original contract, hindi ko nilagay yung benefits, but then, ngayon, I will give you benefits like Philippine holidays. So, nung una, sinabi niya sa akin, pili ka kung gusto mong gawing cash or kaya i-monetary or kaya ay i-take day off mo pero paid, ganon. So sabi ko paid. Etong December meron akong leaves, mga ilang araw, ganon. Paid leaves yon, ayun. So ganon. I realized na when one door closes, another one opens. And kung hindi ka man napapahalagahan ng ibang tao o kaya ng ibang company, you will meet someone who will value you much more than you expected. Yun. Yun. So, happy me.
May tanong.
Yes po. Yes po.
Nga ba yung tatanong ko? Pakiulit mo sa kanila, ano yung course mo, ano yung trabaho mo, tapos anong ginagawa mo din sa client na yan?
Okay. Ang course ko ba? Agricultural engineering ako. Pero yung trabaho ko dito sa kanya is, I am in charge generally sa communication. Like, ito pa yung isa kong pinakagusto dito dahil we are a non-profit organization. So feeling ko, I am working at for something meaningful and something important. Kasi hindi kami kumikita. Yep, nanghihingi kami ng funding. But the company is surviving. Ganon. So, ang ginagawa ko sa kanya, I'm in charge of halos lahat na, but mainly sa communication. For example, planning I believe nung naghanap siya ng VA, ang hanap niya talaga ay partner. Ganon. So, pag may mga naiisip siya, sinasabihan niya ako, tapos nanghihingi siya sa akin ng opinion ko, ganon. Ganon niya ako pinapahalagahan. Na, Juliet, may naisip akong project. Ano sa tingin mo? Paano kaya natin? Tama kaya to? Tapos bago siya magpapasa ng kahit ano, pinapacheck, hindi naman pinapacheck, pinapatingin niya sa akin kung tama yung ginagawa niya, ganon. So, partner kami ni client. Ganon po ang ginagawa ko.
Very good.
Yes,
can you slow down and tell them para, ano ka ulit? Agricultural engineering in charge of communication ka na ngayon. Para lang pupili sa lahat. Pwede
yes,
pala ibang trabaho ang ano daw ginagawa ng in charge of communication. Baka kasi may tanim yan eh. So sabi sa kanila, may plans ba na communication?
Ano kasi kahit na engineering ako, naging entrance ko lang 'yon, but actually gusto ko talaga ay ang pagsusulat, ganon. So, yun talaga yung gusto kong gawin. Yun talaga yung passion ko. Nagbo-vlog ako. I have this dream of launching my ebook soon. Ganon. Yun talaga ang pinakagusto ko. Kumbaga, yes, I am an engineer, pero hindi ko na yun pinanindigan kasi ang gusto ko talaga ay magsulat. Ganon. So, sa communication, specifically dito sa aming non-profit and social enterprise, una, sa website namin, hindi naman ako lahat, but I am drafting kung anong ilalagay namin. So I am helping her with creating newsletters na sinasend sa aming community. I am helping her sa mga blog posts, sa lahat ng planning, sa pag-a-apply ng mga funding para sa aming social enterprise, para sa aming mga projects. Yon. Tapos, yung mga general admin works na, which is simple lang naman. Yon. Yan ang ginagawa ko specifically.
Hey, please explain the general admin work kasi hindi nila alam. If you're a super first-timer, they have no idea. Nagwawalis ka ba ng bakura? Pa yung general admin work. Nagpa-file ka ba sa filing cabinet? Alam mo naman. People don't know. So, thank you.
Ang general admin works na ginagawa namin, so I consider them yung pagpa-plan namin ng task na gagawin for the project. Tapos, when I have time, I do transcription dun sa mga interviews namin. Soon, I will do audio editing. Sorry. Video editing also. Mga paunti-unti lang naman. And then itong mga skills na to ay hindi ko alam when I started. Kasi tingnan nyo nga, napaka-short naman ng time span nung nawalan ako ng trabaho at nag-apply and then nagkaroon ako ng client. Ito lahat ay itinuro sa akin ni client. Yon. So, pag-publish in charge ako ng pagpapublish sa website, tapos yung pagsasend ng newsletter, pag-i-schedule, tapos soon I will also handle the scheduling dun sa mga social media appearance ng aming social enterprise. Yun po. Techie ba? Hindi po ako techie, my gosh. Malalaman niyo din.
Tinuro lang sa'yo ang skills.
Apo, tinuro lang lahat sa akin ang skills. Ang alam ko lang ay magsulat-sulat ng personal blog nung I started. Pero sa Date with Freedom, downloadable, at saka dun sa mga, syempre, tinatanong-tanong at pina-follow ko yung mga successful VAs, syempre, naituro sa akin yung simpleng, paano ka mag-schedule ng Facebook para hindi every time na magpo-post ka, nandoon ka. For example, gusto kong mag-appear yung post ko ng 11:00 mamayang gabi. So, hindi kailangan gising ka ng 11:00 mamaya para mag-appear yung post mo. Merong mga tools, meron tayong mga apps na ginagamit para ma-schedule ko na kahit tulog ako, yung post ko na yan, mag-a-appear siya alas 11. 'Di ba? Si Sir Jomar nga may naikwento siya eh. Nandun sila sa living. Tapos, may na-post sa Facebook niya. Tapos, parang sabi nung, tama ba Sir Jomar? May nagsabi sa'yo na, oh, parang kaka-post mo lang nandito ka naman sa living, sa may living. Yun. So, mayroon tayong mga tools na ganon, na matututunan nyo through sa mga trainings. But those are basic. Lahat na mga ginagawa ko, specifically kay client, say 80% nun ay tinuro niya sa akin because I admitted na hindi ko alam gawin. And dito din, sa letter niya sa akin, sabi nga niya, I appreciate that you will need some training and support in the role of a VA. Pero para sa kanya, investment of time yon. So, which will be beneficial for us. Yon. Kailangan honest.
Tuloy, pakitype nyo nga sa chat room. Honest ako. Kayo yon. Pag hindi nyo alam, sabihin nyo. Pag alam nyo, sabihin nyo. Pag hindi kayo honest, takot kayo. Hindi mag-work yan.
Yes po. I should say na kailangan talagang maging honest. Sana ay hindi well, I just know someone. She was terminated dito din sa online kasi alam ni client na nadadaya. Ganun. So, wala si client sa tabi mo and napaka-importante na maging honest ka sa oras mo. Maging honest ka sa maraming bagay. Mababait po sila. So, kung hindi mo alam, sabihin mo sa kanila na hindi mo alam para maturuan ka. Huwag kayong mag-pretend na alam ko. Ayun. So, yun yung big take away ko dun eh.
Yun, very good. May tanong sila, ano daw office hours mo?
Wala akong office hours. Biglang ganun. Yes po. Office hours ko, mostly, nakiki-oras ako kay client. Mostly pero hindi ko naman kasi kailangang maki-oras kay client. Kailangan lang dun sa oras na may meeting kami, which is Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. Kailangan lang nandun ako dun sa online siya, which is 4 p.m. dito sa atin. So, yung online siya ay 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. sa atin. Yun yung kanilang working hours. Tapos, hindi naman ako kailangang mag-online. Kung kailan ko gusto, kung gusto mag-start ng morning, hindi magtrabaho ko ng morning, ganun. Tapos, flexi, ang saya. Saya. Naku, pag
tuloy.
Yes po.
Tuloy na po. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Teka lang, sabi ni Catherine, ituturo rin ba sa training kung saan makakakuha ng client? I think she means Date with Freedom or other.
Yes, ituturo doon kung saan makakahanap ng client. But those were just iilan lang kasi yon. So anyone can tell you where to find clients. The best thing about training is kung paano i-hire ni client sa position na yan. So pag tanong mo, saan ba makakahanap? Ay naku, kaya kitang bigyan ngayon kahit, diba? But then, kung paano ka maging hireable kay client doon, yun ang importante ng training. Ayun.
Okay, tuloy na.
Okay. So with that, sa mga bagay na nai-enjoy ko ngayon, I came up with these lessons. 3 essentials to become a virtual professional. So para sa mga VA, sa mga gustong mag-VA, please take these things seriously kasi napaka-basic nito. Pero sobrang importante. So first one, be 100% willing to learn. So kahit ano man ang status mo ngayon, kahit ano man ang alam mo ngayon, just be willing to learn. And I don't mean na agad-agad aralin mo lahat. You will learn more through time. So wag ka lang matakot magsabi kay client na hindi mo alam. But just yung mindset na willing kang matuto, yun ang importante kasi sa kanila. Ayun. So second thing, be willing to get mentored and to get a mentor. Ayan. So, on my part, I can't overemphasize the importance of having a mentor like Sir Jomar, the importance of approaching successful VAs, katulad ng tulong ni na Miss Ninya, ganon. So, maraming mga successful VAs na willing tumulong if you're just willing and if you're just serious enough na gusto mo talagang matuto. Ayan. So, third one, be willing to invest to something worthwhile. So, if there is one thing I learned or like a shift in my mindset na naging VA ako, it's really to invest for myself. Ayun, so especially ngayon na nasa information age ba? Information era or something. Napaka-importante na we continuously learn, we continuously invest into learning. So para sa sarili mo kasi 'yon. And also, you will be more fueled to do it, o kaya read it, o kaya gawin mo yung assignments pagka you invest or you spend something for it. Investment doesn't just mean na sa money. Importante din yung time kasi like before, may regular job ka ngayon, pero pag talagang gusto mo, you must set aside time, money, and all other resources that will make you better, you know. Ayun. So, yan siya, napaka-basic pero alam kong hindi madaling gawin. And ayun. Anyways, ayan, eto na ako ngayon. From malungkot, dito na tayo sa masaya. So, eto na ako ngayon. I'm enjoying my life. So, first one, I have now the luxury to pick what time I start and pause from work. So, may nagtanong nga kanina, kahit anong oras po ako nag-i-start, as long as pag meeting with client, nandyan ako. Ayun. And the client trusted me naman na as long as pag may kailangan siya, dinideliver ko. Yan. She doesn't care about my time. Yeah. And then second, freedom to work anywhere. Yan. Yun yung mas masaya eh. Kasi, ayan, since taga-Bohol ako, yan yung aming Chocolate Hills. I live near that place. Yan. So, I should say this na 1.5 months pa lang ako nagtrabaho kay client or as a work at home. But then, dun sa 6 weeks na yan, 1 week I spent in Puerto Galera. So, nag-enjoy po ako nag-snorkeling, nag-swimming, ganon. While hindi na-sacrifice yung trabaho ko kasi may internet connection naman. And then, 3 weeks ako doon sa amin, dito sa Bohol. I can't just stay that long kasi hindi ganon ka-stable yung internet connection namin. So, hoping na soon mabigyan ng maayos na connection sa amin. But I don't care. Kasi anytime naman na gusto kong umuwi sa amin, kung gusto kong umuwi bukas, then I can fly kasi wala namang problema sa akin at kay client. Ayun. So, the rest of 2 weeks, kung saan-saan ako nagtatrabaho. Ayun, sa airport, ganyan, sa co-working space, o kaya sa coffee shop. So, I'm very flexible. Third, setting up a higher standard for myself. So, for the first time, I am given the responsibility and the chance to steer my life and my career to where I want it to go. Yun, so parang, ngayon, I get to choose my clients, sa totoo lang. So, right now, hindi ako nag-a-apply ng new client kasi marami pa akong inaaral na skills. So, doon ako nag-focus. Instead of, I learned this from Sir Jomar, instead of getting a lower paying na trabaho, I invested my time into learning new skills who will double, triple my income. Ganun. So, hindi ako nag-a-apply. But then, may mga nare-receive pa rin akong invitation na nakakakita sa aking profile sa onlinejobs.ph na invitation to work, ganon. So, yan. This morning nga meron eh. Feeling happy. Yan. So, I set up a higher standard for myself.
Question.
Yes po.
Question for everyone. Gusto niyo po bang tuloy-tuloy o stop na ang webinar? 1 hour na kasi tayo nagwa-webinar eh. Sino may gusto na tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang webinar? Or stop na tayo! Sabi ko na kasi may tanong ako. And pay attention, I'm rewarding you for staying up to 1 hour of the webinar. Usually kasi we go on hanggang 2 hours. But anyway, question. Anong rate mo na nilagay publicly ngayon? Now, you don't give me a number. Don't give me a number, Juliet. Tell me if it's higher or lower than what you're earning right now. Yung rate na nilagay mo sa onlinejobs.ph, sa kung saan sa website, is it higher or lower than what you are receiving now?
It's lower. Kasi meron siyang, hindi ko alam kung hindi ko siya mayakyat eh. Parang meron siyang range. Yes po. Slightly lower.
Yung nasa online
jobs.ph. Yes po. Slightly lower.
How about Upwork? Anong amount nilagay mo sa Upwork?
Upwork po, wala akong profile pa kasi ayaw nilang tanggapin yung aking profile. For some reasons. Oo, yung mga sinasabi nilang na wala daw match, ganun.
Match? Anyway, for everyone listening, sino ang gustong kumita ng malaki sa internet? Tanong, dali. Sagutin nyo. Dali. Natutunan ko to nung 2010, 6 years ago. I don't know if you guys know this technique. Okay? Listen. What you do is, if you're earning, let's say, $10 an hour ngayon, yung mga social work websites kung saan may job, like onlinejobs.ph, Upwork, Freelancer, whatever, ilagay nyo yung rate nyo higher than what you're earning. Okay? Ganon. Now, dapat, hindi yun yung kinikita nyo ngayon. Dapat, a few dollars higher. Let's say, $5 higher than what you're earning. Okay? Kasi, ang approach dyan, hindi, kumikita ka ng $10 an hour, therefore, I will pay you $10 an hour. This is for a new client. Hindi dapat ganon. Because sa paglipas ng panahon, sagutin yung tanong, do you improve or you don't? Dapat ang sagot doon, I improve. Di ba? Paglipas ng panahon, do you learn new things in your work or you don't? Di ba ang sagot doon? You do. Yes. So, ang kailangan mong kausap, yung tao na tanggap niya yung price na yon. Gusto mong mag-work for a $15 client next year or next time, if you're already working for a $10 client, $10 an hour client. Yes or no? Pakisabi nga, mabayad ba kayo? Yes. This has nothing to do with added skills na alam ninyo. Nothing to do with meron ka bang natutunang bagong techniques. Wala. You just want to type nyo to. You just want to improve your clients. Yes, sabi niya. Sulat niya. I want to improve my clients. Gusto mo yung mabait sila, but they pay high. Yes. Yun. Tapos na po ako, tumuloy ka na.
Ayan, so dito na. Ayan. So,
tama.
Din naman ng aking presentation. Yes po. So, gusto lang i-summarize. So, ang nangyari sa aking kawalan dun sa Dubai, nakauwi ako ng Pinas. Hindi ako nawala ng income. I work in the comfort of my home. Hawak ko ang oras ko. I take more responsibility of my career now. And I have the chance to dream more or to dream higher. Ganun. So with that, I want to leave you with these quotes. It doesn't matter where you start or where you want to go. No, it doesn't matter where you start, but where you want to go and the price you are willing to pay. And the second is your conviction and your convenience don't live on the same block. So just be willing to be radical. Ito ay especially sa mga nag-start. Yep. So that's all po. Thank you sa pakikinig. Tensya na ang haba pala. Ayun. Hello po, sir.
Juliet, explain mo yung last quote. Hindi ko naintindihan hina eh.
Yes po. Your conviction and your convenience.
Tagalogin mo na lang. Tagalogin mo para maintindihan.
Nahirapan din po ako eh. Tiglang ka, no? Basta alam ko lang, yung gusto mo at yung convenience mo, hindi sila parehas ng location. You can't be convenient and you can't, for me ito yung pagkakaintindi ko na pag may gusto ka, hindi pwede yung pa-relax ka lang tapos maabot mo na yon. So, kailangan pagtrabahuan mo. So, in terms of my VA career, pinagtrabahuan ko talaga siya at pagtatrabahuan ko pa siya because I want to build a solid foundation. And then I know by a year, 2 or 3, wherein I can double, triple my income, then I'll harvest na lang ako ng aking pinaghirapan. Ganon. Yun. So that's how I understand it.
So, looking for convenience, hindi matutupad ang conviction mo. Kasi ang hanap mo. Dapat, pumili ka anong gusto mo, convenience o conviction. Kasi hindi sila pareho.
Hindi sila pareho. Ayun.
Hindi sila pareho ng pinanggagalingan. Amen.
Amen. Thank you.
Clapping. Thank you very much. Thank you, Juliet, for...
Thank you po.
Sino ba si Lisa Nichols? Graphic artist, alamin natin. Lisa Nichols.
Stop share na po ako, Sir Jomar.
She's a motivational... okay. She wrote this book, Abundance Now. I saw this in the bookstore.
Yes.
Motivational speaker siya, si Lisa Nichols. Yep, you're right. I even browsed this book. Pambabae.
Yes po, pambabae siya.
Pambabae yung libro niya. She's a black woman. Her book is parang siyang Tony Robbins, but she's black.
Yep.
Janet Swanson, who happens to be the co-author of the book Success Principles with Jack Canfield. Anyway, thank you so much for... Hey guys, alam niyo ba ang ending? Basahin natin yung chatroom. Basahin natin. Hey guys, you can ask questions from Juliet. Okay lang ba sila magtanong sa'yo?
Yes po. Grabe. Yes po.
Let's read this. Sabi ni Zach, you should pay the price that you have to pay in order to achieve your goals. Amen. Sabi nga dyan, amen dyan. Tanong kayo kay Juliet. Sabi, you have to be ready to get out of your comfort zone. Sabi ni Noemi, very good. Amen. Like to get out of your comfort zone, sabi ni Jennifer. Sabi ni Irene, I'm in Hong Kong right now. I really want to go home. Anong dapat gawin ni Irene? Sabihin niyo sa kanya sa chat room. Hindi ako magsasabi sa kanya. Ikaw na lang, dear Juliet.
Yes po.
Bigyan mo ng payo, dali. Step 1 payo.
Step 1. Ang sinasabi ko talaga para sa nagsasabing gusto, pero hindi pa naman nila sigurado kung gusto talaga nila. Kasi baka gusto nilang office politics, ganon.
Pwede naman.
You buy the book. It's the cheapest investment na full packed of information na. Ito ay Virtual Careers book ni Sir Jomar. It's just 350. And nasabi ko na kanina, I read it 3-4 times and I'm still keep on binabalikan ko pa rin siya as reference. So from there, kung nabasa mo na yung book, magtanong ka sa mga VAs, magtanong ka sa akin, gano'n, kung ano ng next step. Basta basahin mo yun ng mga 3, 4, 5 times, gano'n. Embrace it. Embrace the gems in there.
Yun, and if you're looking for where to buy it in Hong Kong, it's virtualcareersbook.com. Nandiyan din yung e-book version. And soon, you'll get the Amazon version. So you can get the physical if you are in another country, lalo na kung saan na-exist ang Amazon. Where you can get Amazon countries, that's like Singapore, yung mga Western countries, most of them, UK, France, Canada, Germany, Italy, Spain, Netherlands, Australia, Brazil, Japan, India, China, and Mexico. They have Singapore is also there, actual countries na pwede kang mag-shop and they deliver. Actually, maraming countries pwede. There's a lot, 200 plus, but yung sinabi kong countries, may sarili silang Amazon na stores, but Amazon actually deliver to as many as 200 countries around the world. Okay? And as I said, I'm going to give you an opportunity to deliver that book, buy the book for free. and you just pay for your delivery kasi kung saan yung papadala yan. Okay? I hope you guys heard that. Yeah. Did you hear that? Let's skip over that. If you didn't hear that, that's okay. Eh, kamusta lang Christmas mo ngayon now that you are working from home? Ano sabi ni Rodel?
Oo. Siyempre masaya. Siyempre masaya kasi katulad ngayon kung saan ako pwedeng mag-work. So last week I just arrived here sa QC. Galing ako sa bahay namin. And then this week naman December 21, flight ko ulit pauwi sa amin. Hanggang Pasko na yon, hanggang New Year na yon, or at hanggang kailan ko gustong bumalik. O, diba? Ganon. So, wala akong booking pabalik. I don't care. Ganon. Ang saya. Diba? Sige na, Goran. Oo.
Gora, sabi mo ba Gora? Tama ba?
Sabi ko, Gora na, mag-BA na kayo.
Gora na daw. Ano ba kayo? Gora na daw. O, kainggit o mainggit, kumilos.
Kumilos.
Let me just focus on certain things you can do.
Mm-hmm.
Ano to? Saka lang, nakakalimutan ko sabihin ko. Nakatingin kasi ako sa Facebook, naduling tuloy ako. Okay. Oh, yeah. I want to focus on something because I think you would love this. Everybody say, Jomar, I already love it. Lagay niyo sa chat room. Dali, habang hinahanap ko. Malapit na. Sandali lang, ha? Ito na. Nasaan na yan? There is a specific thing I think you would love. Sayang siya na, medyo mysterious. Bago natin sagutin lahat yan, I think, very specific kasi baka na-miss out ninyo. The first thing is na ka-extend yung Christmas bundles, but that's not what I'm talking about. Except for bundle 1, everything else you can get. But there is something for those na, I don't know, maybe you want to check this out. Let me check. I want to present it for, ayan. I see it. Ay, mali yung ating deadline counter. Anyway, I'll fix this. Lorenzo, deadline counter for everyone. January pa. Let me show you this. New share. Let me show you. Okay, here. So, this is Christmas bundle. No, this is not a Christmas bundle. This is a Christmas singles. This is called Singles 6. Everybody type number 6. Type nyo number 6. You need to pay attention to this kasi baka hindi nyo napansin sa dami ng bundles and singles. You need to pay attention to this. Lalo na if you sabi nyo, you cannot afford bundle 1, which is 11,000 na siya ngayon. This one is called Single 6 Virtual Assistant Seminar Premium, valued at 3,000 pesos. Now only what? Pakitype nga, 1,390 na lang. 1,390 na lang. And that's a little bit more than a book, but it's a complete seminar. Tama ba? Totoo ba ang price? Totoo, 1,390 na lang. And that's online. So if you're in Hong Kong, tapos sabi mo, lahat ng pera mo pinamigay mo sa Pasko. Tapos hindi mo kinuha yung Christmas bundle 1, which is now 4 seminars in 1, 11,000. Tapos mentally sabi mo, kailan ko ba ma-afford yung 11,000 na yan? Huwag mo na i-afford. Kunin mo na yung bundle 6. Ayusin na rin ni Renzo to. Dapat itong deadline na to is January 3 actually. Okay? So, January 3 na po ang deadline na yan. So, this one is not 3,475. This is only 1,300, single 6. I see that. I see that is something that you can give to yourself on top of the book. Kasi sinasabi ko sa inyo, you have the book, you have listening to the seminar. The premium version has more than the seminar. Meron pang ibang videos yan. About siguro 10 hours worth yan. You can get this for your loved one or for yourself. Pero sa totoo lang, don't get it for your loved one. Just get it for yourself. Okay? Kasi ikaw papakinggan mo. Yung loved one mo, baka sabihin pa niya, totoo ba yan? So, just highlighting that specific single 6, which is the first time we ever did a 50% discount for that VA 2013 seminar. Okay? So, let me answer. Thank you very much for that. Pakikalat na lang. Single 6 is a very, very cheap bundle. Check it out. This is the website. Binigay ni Nikki. All you need to do is when you open the website, piliin mo lang yung bundles and singles here in the menu. You get forwarded there. Look for the singles. Usually, naka-highlight yung bundle. Look for the singles. And then you scroll down and locate the single 6, which is for newbies. Ayan. Nakalagay naman for newbies. So this is a very, very comprehensive seminar we did in 2013. Siya yung cause ng maraming virtual assistants ngayon. Okay, this specific bundle. Okay? But of course, if you can afford more than that, and as you want to give yourself a great gift, you can get yourself the first one, which is bundle 1. Ito. Okay? Itong Escape the 9 to 5 study. That's 4 beginner courses in one. That's still very, very expensive. That's if you buy it isa-isa, that's worth what's that worth? Check. 29,000 if you buy it isa-isa, but it's now 11. Hindi na po yan 8 kasi tapos na deadline. That's 11,000 na lang yan ngayon. Still very low compared to 29,000, which is its value. Okay? So, teka lang, may akong gusto kong i-highlight. Okay. Sino ang gusto ng... Teka, sasagutin ko yung tanong. Ni Jenai. Sabi niya, October 2017, Manila Date with Freedom. Okay, I want to highlight that because it's very good. Let me show you what a Date with Freedom is. Yung dinownload mo ba, Juliet? Tama ba?
Yes po.
Juliet?
Nag-avail ako nung, yes po. Downloadable kasi 2016 na ako kumuha and then the last Date with Freedom was 2015.
So ito yung Date with Freedom. Wala kang Date with Freedom ngayong year. The next one is next year. This is what it looks like. So nag-show up si Brother Bo. Maybe I can get Brother Bo to show up again kasi matagal pa naman. So this is Date with Freedom. There's brand new people. There's a lot of people involved here. Alam niyo, hindi niyo alam sa Date with Freedom, kalahati niyan virtual assistants, minimum. Yung nag-attend. Tapos kalahati nag-aaral lang. And the people who attended, they served those. Yung virtual assistants, they served, or the virtual professionals, they served those who attended. Hindi sila basta umupo doon, tapos nag-attend. No? They had a role in talking to every single person. And that's a big deal kasi the Date with Freedom is a summit. Can everybody type in summit equals talking, right, Ryan? So we force you guys to talk. Kahit walang lalabas sa bibig nyo, meron namang explanation na pupunta sa inyo. So I'm inviting everyone to go to this one. This is actually a bundle, and sasagutin natin ang tanong ni sino ba na ng tanong? Ni Jenna. Kailan sa October ang ating Date with Freedom? I'm gonna give you a date. Wait, may na. Oh, there. I found it. Teka lang, titignan ko lang. Ay, mali ang taon ko. Next year, di ba? Asensya na nasa maling taon ako. Toink, toink, toink. Ayan, October. Mali pa rin. Sweetheart, mali pa rin ang taon mo. Nasa ang taon mo? Toink, 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 toink. October 2017. There it is. So we're gonna do it on the 14th. No, that's bad. 21. October 21. I hope that's the right date for my Date with Freedom. That's too close. Sige, 14 na lang. Hindi, tama dyan. Uy, merong walang pasok oh. That's it. Date with Freedom is officially October 6 and 7. Probably 7. October 7. Declare ko na pa ngayon ha. Date with Freedom. Manila. Hanggang gabi po yan, 2017, October 7 na. Okay ba? So, Date with Freedom is for newbies and experts kasi yun ang topic natin. That Date with Freedom is a place for us to all gather at the same time. Tapos that is also in bundle, ayan, let me show. Bundle 8. So that's it. This is a Manila Date with Freedom seminar. And summit pala, hindi siya seminar, summit. So that's bundle 8. I suggest you get this. The lowest price you get for this now is $16,931 because meron siyang kasamang copywriting lessons. So it's really advanced lessons for you to go through before we meet each other in October. Okay, this is October. Repeat. After 2 years, repeat. again, syempre, pero if you wanna attend this, magkano ka na lang? Downloadable mo naman. Meron namang version ka na downloadable. Okay, docs? So, this is bundle 7. I-save up mo na to for you to attend. Okay? That's gonna be really, really great. Okay? And I know it's gonna be valuable to everyone. Okay. Tapos na po ako for the meantime. Please ask your questions. Pumunta kasi kayo, umuwi na kayo. This is October 2017. Para nyo ng awa, umuwi na kayo. Go na kayo, go. Bigay ko rin date, ha? October 7. Okay? And then, we're gonna be in Davao for Manila. Ang date natin is somewhere in May. Wala pang date. And in Davao, we're gonna do it in September, the month before that. Let me just give you the date right now. September, Davao is... Wala pa. Wala pa date. Can you just... I stop first and let's talk to... Before I give you back to Juliet, so if you have questions, please ask Juliet. Can I just talk about tomorrow? Tomorrow we're going to be holding a Christmas party, a live one. From my list, I don't think it's going to be a party. Kasi kakonti po kami. I don't really mind nakakonti kami. Okay. Pero, yeah, it's okay. Anyway, I'm just going to tell you that tomorrow we're going to be in the orphanage, Santa Rita Orphanage in the morning, and lunchtime we're going to be at Seria Restaurant in Sucat. You can go if you want. You can habol if you want. Join us in the live Christmas party. We're going to spend the morning hugging orphans, literally, and then have lunch, and then short get-together. Okay? And then at the same time, the next day, Wednesday, we'll have a Christmas party in a virtual. Are you informed about the virtual Christmas party for virtual assistants and we're online marketers, VAs? Do you know? Yung mangyayari sa Wednesday, there are 2 slots for the Christmas party happening on Wednesday. Now, the virtual Christmas party is a online one, parang webinar, where we have people eating online and sharing their story. You can talk to them. You can get your family to talk to them and ask questions like this one. And it's live chat. And this is where we have fun, more than 2 hours each on Wednesday, just celebrating the season all over the world. So I suggest mag-ayos kayo ng buhok nyo, maghanda kayo ng pagkain. Anybody can talk. Anybody can talk, okay? Anybody can ask questions. You can show your face. Just join us in Wednesday for the Christmas party. This is a virtual Christmas party. It's free. Okay, so you can join us on Wednesday. But for tomorrow, if you're nainggit ka, hindi ka makaka-attend sa Christmas party, magpadala ka na ng donation, we're not going to eat your donation. We're just going to give it to the orphanage. Okay? We're going to go to Santa Rita Orphanage in Sucat, Parañaque. And we're just going to give your money to them. Okay ba yun? And somebody from Israel actually donated a lot of money. So we're going to give that to them, to the orphanage. So surprise! Marami silang money for this Christmas. The virtual Christmas party. Nikki, kaya anong oras ng virtual Christmas party? Dali. Actually, alam ko, pero no, I'm just waiting for Nikki to answer it. Kasi baka mali ako. Virtual Christmas party. Dalawa po ang virtual Christmas party. Dalawa. 4 p.m. and 9 p.m. Yun, alam pa ni Zach. 4 p.m. and 9 p.m. po. So, dalawa, two options to choose. I just need the links. Can you give out the links? Virtual Christmas party is free. Just join us. No need to prepare. Kung wala kang, di mo maayos yung buhok mo, okay lang. Wala kang video. If you want, you can join us. Where is the link to the virtual Christmas party? Wala po. Ayun, here are the links, okay? So if you want to be a speaker and gusto mo mag-share ng ideas mo, thoughts mo, whatever, questions, you go to the jhilary.com/2016 virtual Xmas party speaker. Now, if you also want to just join, there are two links. jhilary.com says 2016 Virtual Xmas Party, Deck 21 at 4 p.m. or Deck 21 at 9 p.m. So those are the two links to join para makaasama ka sa Christmas party boo sa Wednesday. Okay ba? The Christmas party again is free. It's our way of celebrating together virtually. Diba ngayon, wala kang kasama. Pakisabi nga, gusto ko ng kasama. Sabi nga ni Zach, bring food. Type mo nga, gusto ko ng kasama. Kung gusto mo ng kasama, sasamahan namin kayo sa virtual Christmas party. Of course, virtual. But you're celebrating with us. And it doesn't matter kung kilala namin kayo o hindi. The only thing that matters is welcome kayo. Yes? Pakisabi nga, welcome ako. Dali mo. So, sasamahan namin kayo. So, here's also your chance, na pag may speakers ka, yung patugtog ng music, pwede mo itong ipatugtog sa bahay. Marinig ng mga kaibigan mong malungkot kasi OFW din sila and mabuksan ng kanilang isip. Yes or no? Pwede sila kasing magtanong eh. Hindi siya seminar. It's talking, and inspiring. So they can be inspired, no? Inspire your family or friends by making them listen to the virtual Xmas party. Ano lang, wala naman kayong pupuntahan pag wala kayong ginagawa. Nasa bahay lang kayo. So, hindi lang kayo makikinig ng talk ni Bo. Halimbawa, wala naman siyang bagong talk sa Wednesday. You make people listen to the virtual Christmas party. And at the same time, you inspire them. Yeah? At kung may tanong sila, it's live so they can ask questions and instantly get answers. Yes? So si Klauski pala. Klauski, thank you very much for your donation to the Santa Rita Orphanage. Okay. Oh, tanong niya how to pay for the bundle 6. I'll give you a link sandali. So, I'll give you the direct link to the bundle 6 para mabilis. So, bundle 6 to copy link. Here's your bundle 6 link. Yan. Madali lang naman, no? Yan. jhilary.com/2006 Xmas Single 6. Hindi siya bundle 6. Siya po ay single 6. So if you're really looking for bundle 6, which is Manila seminar, I don't think this is what you mean. I'm gonna give you the link also. So that's the single 6. This is the bundle 6, which is the Manila seminar in May. There. So I'll give you both links. Okay. So questions po for Juliet. Anybody with a question for Juliet, please ask right now. Okay lang kung tahimik. There is value in silence. Pakitype ngayon kung wala kayong tanong. There is value in silence. So, sa Kabohol, sabi mo malapit sa Chocolate Hills, how close?
Shareable Yunes po, like 15 minutes away from Chocolate Hills.
Ano, walking pa yan? Walking?
Ay, hindi po. Sasakyan o kaya motor, ganon. Uso ang motor eh.
Okay, very good.
Okay. So, may tanong po dito, Sir Jomar.
Sige, sagutin na.
Nakailang apply ako bago nakuha yung VA job. I counted earlier, naka-40. Naka-40 apply ako doon sa platform, onlinejobs.ph. Tapos, out of those 40, nagkaroon ako ng 10 yung nag-reply. Tapos, 2 ang naging client ko doon. Yung iba, hinar ako, pero hindi naman pala afford yung rate na gusto ko. So, hindi kami nag-settle, ganun. So, 40. Ilan na po ang client nyo ngayon? Meron lang akong isang client. May mga invitations, pero hindi ko sinasagot because, as I said earlier, nag-focus muna ako dun sa pag-develop ng skills ko. So, isa po. Blog link ko. Okay, ilagay ko na dito yung blog link ko. Pero, in few days, may bago na akong blog. May bago na akong website. /blog. Ayan. So, I'm working on a new website na mas okay. Ngayon. Ano ba to? Ano ba ang ginagawa ng accountability partner? Accountability partner will check on you. Parang, ano mo siya, sa akin, parang I held her accountable to check on me. I shared my goals with her. Tapos, tinutulungan niya akong i-achieve yon or i-remind ako na, oy, ano nang nangyari dito sa pangarap mo, ganon. So, yun ang accountability partner. It's just like a friend na parang nasasabihan mo ng gusto mo at the same time, their achievement will be, your achievement will be theirs also. So, ganon. Yun yung accountability partner. So, you don't have to pay always for an accountability partner. You can have your friend, you can have your spouse, o kaya sino man na parang mag-check sa'yo nung progress mo. Ganon. So, thanks sa sagot, di din pala biro ang pag-apply as a VA. Kung ito yung kanina, tungkol sa kung ilang applications ako, hindi biro. Yes and no. Kasi may mga nakakita akong post sa ibang groups na 2 taon na daw silang nag-a-apply. Tapos, wala pa rin silang mahanap na, na VA job. Tapos, may nakikita akong nagpo-post ng napakababang rate. $1, $2, $3, $4 per hour. Tapos, marami ang nag-a-apply. So, dyan sa reality na yan, yes, I would say mahirap. But then, kaya nga tayo nagtitraining, kaya tayo kumukuha ng courses, kaya tayo nagtatanong, kasi we want to be hireable, we want to be, ano bang tawag nun, qualified. So, I would say, hindi naman mahirap mag-apply pagka, may confidence ka at pagka nag-aral ka. Ganon.
Bakit?
Yes. Po? Po yun. May tanong po. Okay. Next question. Don't you feel you're doing a lot for what your client is paying you? Ngayon, yes. Kasi I don't see my work as work. Kasi nga, I love charity works. So, parang nagsasahod ako. Excuse me. But then, sa mga future clients ko, I don't think I will do something more than what I'll be paying for. Paano yung interview? Was it video or chat? First client ko, chat lang. Second client ko, mahirap. Kasi marami siyang requirements. Ito pa ha, sa Date with Freedom, meron dong assignment si Sir Jomar na i-contact mo yung mga previews mo na mga boss, Tapos, tanungin mo sila kung ano yung performance mo. I think, ganon. Tapos, tanungin mo sila kung how can you improve based dun sa pagkakilala nila sa'yo. And then, if there are, kung may boss o kaya may kasama, yun nga, may boss ka na hindi mo bate, makipag-peace ka, ganon. So, natawa ako nung time na yon kasi parang, hello, totoo yun, Sir Jomar. Pero pero sabi ni Sir Jomar, kasi yung seryosong client, magtatanong sa'yo ng referral, magtatanong sa'yo ng mga people na nagtrabaho ka na before. And totoo nga, etong si client ko na to, nanghingi ng referral. Eh di, prepared ako kasi ginawa ko yung assignment. Ayun. Nakakuha siya ng positive feedback. Funny, di ba? Hindi kasi tayo na
Nakipag-peace ka kasi.
Wala naman po akong kailangan ni peace, pero yun nga, hindi ko, sir, paano niyo po nalaman na yung seryosong client ay magtatanong ng past mo? I'm just curious kasi it happened to me. Tapos hindi ko talaga yun inisip na totoo yung sinabi mo.
Talaga, hindi ka naniwala?
Yes po, and then honestly, sabi ko, bakit kayo magtatanong ng ganyan? Tapos nung nangyari dun sa client ko, tapos eto pa halos lahat dun sa Date with Freedom na assignments mo. Kasi minention ni client na nakita pa lang daw niya yung website. At nabasa niya yung contents ng website. Alam na daw niya na magkiklik kami. Ganon. Ay, kung wala akong website, dahil basta na lang akong sumugod sa laban ng wala akong training. Hindi niya ako ihahar. Ganon. Yun. So, yung website, tsaka yung mga references. Tapos, nagkaroon kami ng video, Zoom call, ganito, face-to-face. Pero nagkaroon pa kami ng pre-assessment kasi inalam niya yung ugali. Ugali ba? Personality. Inalam niya yung personality ko.
Galing. Sasagutin ko ba yung tanong?
Yes po. Paano niyo po nalaman? Bigla ganun.
Okay. Explain ko sa kanila. Tanungin mo sa atin sila. Gusto niyo bang malaman kung bakit alam ko na ang seryosong client tatanungin ang ano yung tinanong sa'yo? Tatanungin ang
yung mga
referral.
Yung mga previous trabaho ay boss.
Trabaho mo. Gusto niyo malaman paano ko nalaman na ganun sila mag-isip. Hindi naman ata nila gustong malaman. So, sa'yo ko na lang sasabihin.
Okay. Naku, magtanong kayo, mga mga ino-overlook ko din to before. Pero talagang sabi ko, yung seryoso kong client ngayon, ayun, magtanong siya. Nung lahat ng mga sinabi ni Sir Jomar, ano ba yan? Buti na lang medyo mabait ako. Sinunod ko din.
Nakakatawa naman.
Opo.
Okay. Yung mga gusto lang may alam. Ito kasi yan, sagot.
Mm-hmm.
Ang seryosong client, that's the Tagalog version na tinuro ko sa inyo. Hindi ng action na sinabi ko. The client who is serious, natatanungin yung referral, yung references mo, hindi siya serious client. Ang tawag doon, a client who is looking for an A player. In Tagalog, ang sabi doon.
Ano po yun?
Anong tawag doon? Nasa libro yan.
Yes po, oo. Sabi ko na, hindi ko na-memorize yung book kaya babalikan ko. Ano po yun?
Lahat ng kliyente naghahanap ng A player. Okay? Naghahanap ng A player, yung mga A, mga magagaling na clients. So, magaling ang client mo, naghahanap lang siya ng, guess what? Mas magaling sa kanya.
Ay, gano'n.
So, usually, mga A player. Usually, ang kasama mo dyan, pag nag-work ka, mga A player din. Kasi, ang mga naghahanap lang ng reference, online to, dito sa company, or references for virtual careers, virtual assistants, are those who are building an A team. Magaling na team. Magaling. So, pag A team yan, member ka, A player ka, tanong, are you paid well? Are you treated well? Ikaw
Yes,
sasagot nun.
yes,
Ikaw
I'm
sasagot.
well. I'm treated well. So well. So well. Oo, ganun pala talaga.
You're being hired by a serious person na naghahanap siya ng team na magtatagal. Pakitype nga, magtatagal. So parang sinasabi ko sa'yo na meron kang security of tenure dyan. Kasi yung client mo, may tanong ako sa'yo, sobrang bilis ba ng hiring sa'yo? Biglang, nag-interview kayo, hired ka na.
Nako, hindi. Hindi naman siya sobrang tagal, pero alam kong the client took my client took her time. And buti naman hindi nanonood. Wala dito sa viewers yung hindi ako ang hinar. Ganito yon. Admin dun sa qualification, dun sa hinanap ni client, hindi ako yung best qualified. Kasi ang hanap niya ay virtual assistant to do admin task, yung tutulong sa kanya dun sa mga daily etchebureche, ganon. Tapos, she hired someone. So, may hinar siyang iba to do the admin task. And I believe na kung hindi man ako less qualified dun sa hinar niya, mas mahal ang rate ko. So, I was not willing to negotiate. And then, what happened? She find my strength and ginawan niya ako ng trabaho. So, sabi niya, Juliet, I will not hire you to do the admin task, but you will do the communication. O, diba? Sabi ko, naku, mas nakita pa ni client yung strength ko kaysa ako kasi hindi naman ako confident pag-apply ng ganon. But then, sabi niya, I will not hire you. Totoo talaga, Sir Jomar. Doon sa interview ata, tapos doon sa sulat-sulat. Sabi, gumawa siya ng bagong posisyon for me. Ganon.
Diba? Ginawan ka ng bagong posisyon.
Yes po.
Just to answer your question quickly. How did I know? Pinag-aralan ko.
Ganun din. Yun.
Pinag-aralan ko kung paano mag-hire ang A clients. And that's how they hire.
Oo.
A client don't hire slow and they hire by asking for references. Sa mga may virtual professional na dito, sabihin nyo nga, did your client ask and call up your references? Sabihin nyo nga, wag na sumala ng loob, okay lang yun. Malalaman namin kung A player yung client mo o hindi. Kung hiningi niya yung references mo. Nag-ask siya ng reference. Yun. Si Lorenzo, yes. Wale. So, tatawagan nila yon or i-email nila yung references. So, alam nyo na kung hindi kayo hininga ng references ng clients nyo, pwede pa kayong makahanap ng better clients in the future. Kasi nga, hindi pa yan A player yung client mo. Kasi only A players hire A players. And only A players, pahihirapan kayo before kayo ma-hire. Okay ba?
Yes.
Wala. Ma-hire kayo sa sa A player. Ganun lang yan. So tanong na, how do you become an A player? Ayun, simple. Follow what I say in the book. Follow what I say in the courses. Kasi may chapter tayo on A player sa libro. Diba? Anong chapter na?
Hindi ko po memorize, pero meron pong chapter.
Memorize
mo yan. Oo nga po, kaya binabalikan ko.
Memorize pero may libro ako. So,
meron din ako. And then I agree talaga na naghahanap yung client ng mas marunong sa kanya. I don't want to acknowledge it, pero talagang lahat ng ginagawa ni client, I mean, new ideas, hindi lang dun sa mga usual niyang ginagawa. pag may naisip siya, Juliet, may naisip ako, what do you think of this? Ganon. Tapos, bago siya mag-submit ng kung ano-ano, pinapabasa niya sa akin. So, parang, diba, I felt valued na parang nagtitiwala siya sa akin na ganon. So, yun. True. Totoo nga. Tawa naman ako dun.
Tanong ni pwede ba gawin si Jomar reference pag hiningan kami ng clients ng reference? Ano sa tingin nyo?
Hindi naman kayo nag-work sa kanya.
Hindi pwede. Masisira pangalan mo pag ginawa mo yun. Tatanong ko ng client to be mo, how is his working attitude? Ano sasagot ko? Wala. Bakit? Hindi naman tayo nag-work together.
Ang take note, bawal magsinungaling. Malalaman at malalaman ni client yan later on.
Dapat you work for this person.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
That person actually remembers you.
So, yung A player pala is page 125.
It's chapter 11.
Chapter 11, page 125.
Okay. Patanong ni Noemi, what are the top 3 things you learned from investing in Jomar's seminar?
Top 3 things? Ano ba yan? Nahirapan ako, Miss Universe. Top 3 things. From Jomar's seminar, doon ko, actually po, Miss Noemi, doon ko talaga natutunan lahat. Kung ano man yung, kung paano, siguro in practical, doon sa application doon relating to, nakuha ko yung client, lahat ng assignments ginawa ko, which is useful doon sa pag-hire ni client sa akin. Lahat ng attitude shift, mindset shift, natutunan ko doon sa seminar. Tapos, skills, a lot of skills, doon ko talaga siya natutunan. Yun. Hindi ko maisip yung top 3 things.
Okay na yan, dami na yan.
Yes po.
I think we can go now. What are the okay. Thank you so much for joining us. Magdadagdag lang ako ulit. It's Christmas time, and just want to tell you that I'm relaunching a series of videos in YouTube. In Facebook, to give you a daily lessons. Okay ba yon? Daily lessons. Gusto niyo yan? And hindi pa pumapasok yung video ko, pero mayroon akong video. Hindi ko lang sure kung nasaan. It's in my Facebook account. It's in here if you want. I'm also gonna put it in the mastery group. In the virtual careers group. So daily lessons in my Facebook account. Join that. Or kung makita pasensya na. Hindi marunong gumamit ng Facebook. At least hindi lang kayo marunong. Ako din hindi marunong gumamit ng Facebook. Anyway, I put a video kanina using the cellphone, pero hindi ata nag-launch. So essentially, I'm doing it again. I'm relaunching my series of videos, very short videos in my Facebook to give you lessons. I already recorded a couple. The point is, hindi kayo pwedeng maging friends lang account na yan. So, pakibura nga, pumunta na lang kayo sa virtual careers. Punta kayo sa Jomar Hilario Virtual Careers na group at doon ko yung ipapaskill. Okay? Huwag na kayong makipag-friend sa akin kasi useless, puno na yan. Okay? So, akala nyo si Brother Bo lang may full tap, but actually I've been doing that for 3 years already. It's very short videos. I have 50 videos in YouTube. Extremely short. This is yung live unedited version. I'm gonna upload it here dito so you can enjoy it. Okay ba? In virtual careers. It's gonna be a daily video and I hope it's gonna be fun for you and you can learn stuff from those. Okay? So, just a few reminders before I go. Okay lang ba sa inyo? Magtanong pa kasi kayo. But anyway, kung wala kayong tanong, I just wanna remind you to visit the Christmas bundles because we are, it's there. It's there. This once a year we give super lucky discounts sa mga courses ko. There's a guide. Are you a newbie? Are you advanced? Or do you have a business? You can select that. You want to watch the webinar replays, it's all here also, including this one, including the Christmas party webinars is here. How do you know, paano, anong storya ba, ba't nagawa yung Christmas bundles? Now, if you're a fast mover, first 100 people gets a bonus. Here it is. First 20, obviously, taken na yan. If you're in the first 20, you get all these ebooks. First 50, I'm not sure kung naka-50 na tayo. So may chance pa kayong kunin itong Elements of an Attractive VA Blog ebook. Okay? And then, first 100 gets this and this, last two books. Escaping the Traps of Negativity about online books, online jobs. And then, first 150 people, 4 billion questions to ask in your interview. That's virtual professional interview, virtual assistant interview. Okay? So, if you move fast, you get this. And there is also a bonus. I will tell you all about it pag clear na sa akin. There is a big bonus if you're a fast mover. Hindi ko masasabihin ngayon kung ano. These pictures should give you a hint. Okay? So, there's also a raffle for this. And I don't know where the pictures of the raffle prizes are. Meron kayong pictures. Yeah, I have a picture of some, but I don't have a picture of all of it. So I'm going to show you what I have now. So we're gonna give away some stuff, but I don't have the complete set of. Yeah, may bonus then kahit may installment ba basta you be a fast mover. So we're gonna give away a keyboard, a three device keyboard. You can use it for your three kinds of Bluetooth. May switch siya. So you can use a tablet, phone, or desktop, or 3 computers. We're also going to give away how to fail at almost everything and still win big. It's an ebook or an audiobook, your choice, or a physical book. It's all completely your choice. We also have the 50 Prosperity Classics, physical book, audiobook. It's up to you. Also, the brand new Tools of Titans by Tim Ferriss. This is a 3-pound book. Can you just type in the webinar chat room, type in 3 pounds. It's a completely big book, and you're gonna get it for free if you win. Right? Tools of Titans was released last week by our dear friend Tim Ferriss. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay, malalaman nyo kung saan kayo papasok na bonus siguro around January 4. Again, okay. So those are the bonus raffle. Those are not all of it. There's a lot more. But I don't have the pictures yet. So, basta sumali kayo, mananalo kayo dyan for sure. Okay? We are still preparing some other bonuses and other raffle prizes. Yeah. Tingnan natin. Okay? Just stay tuned sa Christmas party. On Wednesday, I will announce some of the other raffle prizes. Okay ba? Stay tuned Christmas party. Who's attending the 4 p.m.? And who's attending the 9 p.m. on Wednesday? Okay? Again, it's designed for you so hindi kayo malungkot, designed for you so you're happy, designed for you just enjoy life with all over the world, other virtual professionals. Okay ba? Okay ba? Okay ba? It's not a seminar, it's a time to be with new friends. Okay ba, new friends? Kasi malay namin, pagdating ng panahon, kayo ang in-interview. Yeah? O kayo ang sasalita sa summit. Yes? Okay ba? So, maniwala kayo, libre mangarap. So, mangarap na kayo. Kung feeling nyo, hindi kayo makakauwi, kasi stuck kayo dyan, pagdasal natin, magaya kayo kay Juliet. Yes? Okay ba, Juliet?
Natawa ako doon.
Diba, pag magaya kayo sa kanya, free na kayo. Yes or no?
Diba, si God para-paraan.
Sa tingin nyo ba, ako? Pinagdasal ko rin yun. Tanggalin ako. Kung hindi, empleyado pa rin ako ngayon. O, diba? So, naman ang ending eh. Everything, there is a good window out. So, let us all pray for that. Diba? I-claim mo nga, tama si Ryan. I-claim mo, magsasalita ka din. Success story mo, di ba? Huwag nang, hindi pa ka ready. Tumigil ka dyan. Pag pinaalis ka sa kumpanya mo, ready ka na. Alis ka na, diba?
Natawa talaga. Oo. Pagka wala ka ng choice, wala, magaling ka na agad. Biglang ganon. Kaya mo na agad humarap sa client. Ganon.
Takot pa niyang kunwari eh. Nakakalaban siya.
Yung tutorial mo na matagal nang natenga, matatapos yan bigla.
Kasi pinalis ka na eh. Amen, di ba? So everyone, thank you, Juliet, for entertaining us. We're gonna do lots of things together since nandito ka na sa Pilipinas. And everybody, gayahin niyo si Juliet, nakauwi na, hindi malungkot. God bless everyone.
God bless everyone.
If you have questions, nandiyan si Nikki. Again, I have a ton of invitations for you guys. Go to the Facebook group para makita niyo yung latest videos ko. Very short. Join us tomorrow sa Christmas party live sa Sukat, Parañaque for the orphanage and the Seria restaurant. That's the name of the restaurant if you want to show up. And on Wednesday, we have 2 Christmas party, a virtual Christmas party. And then the year ends. So, tapos na. We're gonna resume on Christmas, December 26, I think. Yeah, December 26 for our next webinar after that. Okay ba? So, Merry Christmas to everyone. Gawin nyo ng Merry kasi it's in your hands. Di ba? Yeah? It's in your hands. I-claim nyo na. Okay, Docs? God bless. Tingnan nyo mabuti yung Christmas bundles. Tingnan nyo mabuti. Marami kayong makikita ng gems. Okay? God bless. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Sir Jomar. Yeah.
2 hours na naman tayo.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. God bless. Kayang-kaya yan.